Hey there, and welcome to Money Matters with Alex, the place where we're all about making personal finance simple, interesting, and something you can actually enjoy. I'm Alex, and no matter what your money goals are, paying down student loans, building up that savings account, or even taking the first steps into investing, I'm here to help. Let's be real. Money can feel a bit overwhelming sometimes. But here's the good news. You don't have to be rolling in cash or give up on what makes you happy to take control of your finances. We're all about practical strategies for real life, things you can start right now to see real changes in your financial life. On this channel, I'll walk you through everything, from budget basics to crafting a solid investment plan, all in a way that fits your lifestyle. And we'll dive into topics people don't always discuss, like handling debt or finding side gigs that actually work. If you're ready to take charge of your finances and build a future you're excited about, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump in. Your journey to financial well-being starts here and now.